This is Palm Springs mid-century magic at its finest. People from around the world are drawn to Palm Springs for its iconic architecture, year-round sunshine, effortless indoor-outdoor lifestyle, and so much more. Today, we're touring something truly special, an original Alexander model in the Racquet Club Estates that's on the market for the first time since 1960. My name is James with LPT Realty. Come inside with me and take a tour as I show you everything this beautiful home has to offer. So as you walk in, you are in this little foyer area. It has a window leading to, that shows you the outside. I'll take a look here so you can see the pool. They thought about putting a doorway here or opening that up even more with some sliding glass doors or something like that to enable you to just walk through and see the absolutely incredible views that you'll have to see when we get outside. But it's a little foyer area. Now this home is fully unfurnished right now. It's fully remodeled and renovated, so it's completely empty. So you've got storage there to the right, a closet there, and then this door leads to your garage. It's got a little storage area here, and then into the garage. Now, these homes, these Alexander model homes, originally were built with carports, and most of them converted these carports into garages. As you know, the Palm Springs area, the Coachella Valley, can get hot during the summer months as we are getting ready to enter right now. So it's people like to be able to put them in the garage, put their vehicles in the garage to keep them cool. So now as we walk back into the house from the garage, there's your front door area there. As we walk into the front, you walk down this short hallway and you are met with the absolutely incredibly beautiful kitchen. Now, luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout. So all of the floors have been redone. Then you've got this beautiful oversized waterfall island with the quartz countertops. Now to give you an idea, where you see the refrigerator there and where that wall is, that wall came all the way here and here, closing off the kitchen completely from the rest of the house. And the kitchen was very small. The refrigerator was actually right here before they renovated and remodeled everything. The refrigerator was here, and you walked in, there was an opening here to get into the kitchen, and then another opening over there by the refrigerator to go that way. And it was a tiny closed kitchen. It wasn't an open floor plan. So the way they remodeled this is just absolutely incredible. They took out this wall and put this beautiful island here. You can see, you can easily seat 4 people there. And as you're in the kitchen, you're still part of the party. So brand new appliances. You've got matching appliances, stainless steel, Frigidaire, stove, Frigidaire, microwave, dishwasher, and refrigerator. Brand new cabinets, beautiful backsplash. I love the mid-century modern light fixtures. And then all of the storage you have here in your island and throughout. They opted for black fixtures and sinks. You'll see that theme throughout. And then that opens up to your living space. They kept the fireplace and just did the updated but the retro mid-century modern paneling around it. You've got brand new windows. Wait till you see this view. Look at the mountain view from your living area. So you can see plenty of space here. You've got some French doors leading out to your pool. We'll go out there in a minute, but they've got the high-end ceiling fans, the Minka Air ceiling fans. We've got the LED lighting throughout. They updated the electrical system in here as well. So you got a brand new electrical panel, all new electrical throughout the house. Beautiful living area and those stunning mountain views, which we'll get to look at in just a bit. But that is your kitchen. As you see, that's where we came in. That's the garage door there. And then you come down this hallway And you've got your first bedroom here. Ceiling to floor windows, closet, down the hall right next door is your second bedroom, again ceiling to floor windows. You've got 10-foot ceilings in here, 12-foot ceilings, another closet, and then your laundry is in the house. This is where your washer and dryer, your stackable washer and dryer would be there, right next to your first restroom. So you've got a walk-in shower there, natural light from that skylight in the ceiling, but updated lighting, the black fixtures like I mentioned, black sink, and then all new, brand new toilet, completely renovated from ceiling to floor. And then further down the hall is your primary bedroom. Again, tons of natural light. This is where your bed would go here. You've got exit to your backyard from here. Those glass doors, your closet there, and then again, fully updated restroom. You've got a tub here and shower combo. And that's the inside of the house. So as you walk back down this hallway, let's take a look at the outside. Open these French doors here. Now behind you is an elementary school. So you'll never have anything that's gonna block this absolutely stunning view of the mountains. You can see the Palm Springs tram there in the distance. If you're not familiar with the tram, oh, it's so cool. It takes you all the way up to the top. And in the wintertime, those mountains are covered in snow. So beautiful. So you have an elementary school here. So summertime, it's peace and quiet. You can hear it right now. There's absolutely no noise. And remember, there's only, lunch hour and a couple recesses where the kids are gonna be out there playing. But for the most part, you don't have to worry about any noise, especially at night. You don't have to worry about any neighbors blocking your view or any noise from the neighbors there. So you've got the elementary school right behind you there. And then you've got this beautiful pool with unobstructed views other than your tree there of the mountains. Tons of space to do so much more back here. Let me show you. So you've got grass all the way around. You've got the covered patio, and then that's the reason why they didn't cut through there, is because all of the pool equipment and AC unit are there. So if this were my house, I would move all of that equipment off to the side there, because this is your garage here. So you could totally relocate your pool equipment and everything over here, and then you have all of this space. You can put your outdoor kitchen, build your outdoor kitchen here, extend that covered patio there, and make this just the most incredible outdoor living space. The pool is already in place, tons of space here in the backyard. You've got all the grass, and then just look at those mountain views. And remember, in the wintertime, those mountains are covered in snow, clouds and snow. It's such an amazing view from back here, and there is just so much space in the backyard, so much potential for you to just build your own outdoor oasis back here. They put a brand new fence all the way around. So you've got the brand new corrugated metal there all the way around. And then this is your side yard, where these are the windows to your living room. And then this is the primary bedroom, the exit from the primary bedroom, and then that goes back to the front of the house and the street there. So tons of space here, tons of potential for you to create your own outdoor oasis and capture some of the most incredible Palm Springs views. This house, just tons and tons of potential. I love what they did with the inside and all the renovations and remodeling. This house, I don't believe is gonna be on the market very long. Thank you for watching my tour of this incredible Alexander model in the Racquet Club Estates. If this home is something that interests you or relocating to Palm Springs, feel free to contact me at the number below. Subscribe. I drop house tours every week and I do all things Coachella Valley. So you can follow me if you're interested in all of the new businesses, places to eat, and things to do in the Coachella Valley area. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and follow, and I'll catch you on the next one.